Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we shall be solving question number 9. Now this question is similar to the question that we have performed in the examples when we were studying the concept. So here they are saying that if the sum of n terms of two arithmetic progressions, they are in the ratio 5n plus 4 and 9n plus 6, right? We need to find the ratio of their 18th term. So how we may do that? So here, first of all, we can assume our arithmetic progressions. The first, here they are talking about two arithmetic progressions, right? So let's consider the first AP as a plus d1, a plus 2d1 and so on. So that means a here is the first term in the first AP and d1 is the common difference in the first AP. Let's consider the second AP as b plus d2, b plus 2d2 and so on. So here in this case, let's consider b as the first term of the second AP and d2 as the common difference of the second AP. Correct? Okay, so once we have both the AP, now they are saying their sum is in the ratio 5n plus 4 divided by 9n plus 6. So that means the first sum of first AP up to n terms divided by the sum of second AP up to n terms is equal to 5n plus 4 divided by 9n plus 6. Now we can apply the formulas for the sum of n terms. So it would be n by 2. 2 into the first term of the first AP, which is a, plus n minus 1, the common difference d1, which is the common difference of the first AP, right? Similarly, n divided by n by 2, 2 times b is the first term of the second AP, plus n minus 1 d2, where d2 is the common difference of the second AP, and this right hand side as such. Correct? So now this n by 2 and n by 2 cancels with each other. So we have 2a plus n minus 1 times of d1 divided by 2b plus n minus 1 times of d2 is equal to 5n plus 4 divided by 9n plus 6, right? Let's mark this as equation 1. Now they are asking what would be the ratio of their 18th term. So that means a18 divided by b18. This is what we are required to calculate here, this ratio. So we know what is a18. It is a plus 18 minus 1 times of d1. And what would be b18? It would be b plus 18 minus 1 times of d2. Why d2? Because d2 is the common difference for the second AP. d1 is the common difference for the first AP, right? So here we can simplify this so that we would have the value here as 2a plus 34 d1 2b plus 34 d2. Now in order to find this thing, we will make use of our first equation. So here you see we have the term 2a plus n minus 1 d1, 2b plus n minus 1 d2. So in order to make this term and this term equal, what do we want? What do we wanted to do here? We wanted to make this n minus 1 equal to this 34. So how we can do that? So you see this n minus 1 would be equal to 34. So that means if we substitute n is equal to 35 here, we would have our answer. So let us substitute, put n is equal to 35 in our equation number 1. So that we would have 2a as such, correct? Plus 35 minus 1 is 34 d1 divided by 2b as such, right? Plus n minus 1, 35 minus 1 is 34 d2, right? Here also we would have 5 into 35 plus 4 and 9 into 35 plus 6, because we are substituting n is equal to 35 here. And we can solve this thing. After solving this thing, we have the value as 179 upon 321, and both of them do not cancel each other. Now if you look closely, what is this thing? 2a plus 34 d1 divided by 2b plus 34 d2. It is nothing but the ratio a18 upon b18. So that means the value of a18 upon b18, the ratio of the 18th term of both the APs come out to be 179 upon 231. So this is our answer. So I hope you understood this question well. Well, that is it for this video. Thank you for watching.